Today I'm learning how to create animation using Canva. So let's try to animate this airplane. So like I watched in other videos, you need to, they said, to duplicate the page, then move the airplane in the second one. So they said the animation, it is the difference between the first image and the second image. So let's add a transition and let's see exactly. So that's what we got. Visual, slide, we can low. So let's try this. Now let's see what we can do actually with this transition. So I think yes, this is the duration for this one. So it's okay. So it's moved like in this time zone, so to speak. Let's try something else. Some kind of animation. Okay, could we have animation in animation? So like let's have pan on enter or an exit. Let's say an enter on exit because it's and let's rotate it so it goes in that direction. Okay. But now how we can okay, why there are two plane? Because the rotation is how can we get rid of that? I think we can't control the rotation like it's the degree it is fixed, so he would just rotate, just we are controlling the speed. We might make the speed. So it's enter from here. Now it's go, okay, cool. Also this one, it's look amazing. But how we control the speed of that? So if we let's try make it in that how in this way. Yes. No. So this one need to be all the way along to the second transition. Let's try to add some audio to this one or sound effect. Now let's stick to animation. Animation, so yes, we can animate the page itself. The pop-up, I like it. If it's pop and yeah. How could we make it pop here? By the end of this one. Let's try to the second one. Click here, animate. Let's try this one. So it's pop. Move. We said it's supposed to be popping here. Okay, once more, animate. Element animation replaced with what? So it's pop. It's moving. Okay, and here it is something else. So and this is so if we take it, but how? So if we make it in that way, let's see now. Now let's click to this one. Okay. Yeah, but that's only the pop. Okay, we can't do it. Okay, this is the pop, the first pop. This is the second pop. And this is the matching one. Okay. I'm not getting this timeline. It's popping. Sliding. Oh, okay, we can't do that actually. But at least we learn what we can do and what we cannot do actually. So, thank you and see you in the next video.